Okay, I'm going to go up and import my scanned image. Now I'm going to go and click and drag over on the ruler to create a vertical guideline. Select the image, which gives you the rotation grip on the corner. Grab that and click and drag to rotate the image to align it. And once you get it pretty close, then you can zoom in and use Alt plus the square bracket keys to do fine rotation, and if you hold down Alt and the arrow keys, you can move your image slightly to the left or right or up or down. So here I'm adding a horizontal guideline at the top and bottom. Okay, now I'm going to turn on some object snaps. Okay, now I'm going to go over and select the tool to draw Bezier curves and straight lines and start tracing around the pattern. I'm just going to use straight line segments and then go back later and change them to curves. It's a lot faster and easier. So typically in the center of a curve, just add one point in the center. You can always go add more later if you need them. That's a good starting place. This is a more complex curve, so I'm going to add a couple more points in here. Then you go back to your starting place and click on the node you started at to close out your path. Okay, I'm going to select Edit Path by Nodes. Then click on the node in the middle of my curve and then push the delete button to delete it. And then you can grab on these handles to change the shape of the curve. Click and drag them back and forth and move them side to side. I'm turning off my object snaps. I don't need them on right now. They're just going to interfere. So double click on the line to add a node. And I just deleted that to turn that into a slight curve. Delete that node to make it into a curve, change the handles. So to pan and zoom, I'm using my mouse. I've got a scroll button and a button to pan. If you don't have that, you can use the plus and minus keys to zoom in and out on your keyboard, and use the scroll bars on the sides of the drawing window to move back and forth and up and down. Okay, I've done adjusting my path. So now I'm going to go back to the select tool and I can delete my scanned image. Now to delete the guidelines, you just hover over them with the mouse until your cursor changes, and then push the delete key on your keyboard.